G'day everyone, Artist Wayne here, and let me bring you all up to speed. It's day 2 of our Victorian High Country adventure. Day 1 saw us riding from Mittagong to Jindabyne. We've left Jindabyne and we are now heading towards the town of Dargo. And that's when we came to the Powers Gully track. It's late in the afternoon and this was our first difficult big ass hill. Hey, I'll video you guys going up. Yeah. Now there's a lot of enduro riders out there who know how hard it is to show how steep a hill really is. So I want you all to listen to my bike because she's still geared for enduro riding. I've already pulled second and just listen to how my bike starts to labour. And also remember, we're all carrying luggage. Back to first gear, boys and girls. The hill is getting steeper. Finally, I found a place to stop so I could video the boys coming up. Mad Mal on his 690 KTM. Just watch his front wheel as he has trouble keeping it on the ground. Big Jace for bodyguard, heading up the hill like a juggernaut on his Kawasaki KLR650. To video you! I had nowhere to go. What do you mean you had nowhere to go, Big Jace? Right. Look at all the real estate out in front of me. Hang on. Hey? There was no way I could put my stand down on a hill this steep. You right? It was more a token gesture. Yeah, I'll move. Jace went straight towards me and had to drop his bike because he tried to come up where I was. Who dropped his bike? Jace. Adrian's already dropped his way down there. No way. Yeah. Fuck, I thought I was flipping mine. Yeah, your front wheel was off the ground. You did well getting up that. Hey Adrian, what are you doing? What are you doing, bro? I'm fixing my side stand. What the f***? There's fuel leaking out everywhere. Yeah, I know. Oh, I can't even pull it around. And here he is, Adrian, the pin-up boy for Emmerock, Australia, riding a 790 KTM adventure bike. I don't know. Fuck that. What's that? Oh, is that you? Beer knob. Yeah. Good. Get a 790, he says. You probably want to get a bigger bike, I reckon. Really bigger bike. Alright. Okay, now, this time you're going to go. So like I say, just go as far as you can, and then if you start... Yeah, I don't think I'll get up there. You just sound like a man that just doesn't want to do it.
Stop. All right, that's it. All right.
Well done, bro.
That's all you need to do. All right, you don't have to like go crazy.
Yeah.
It might be a little bit harder this time. He's got to let the clutch out. Hey, you got to let the clutch out. He's got his clutch out.
Go.
Fucking let your clutch out and just go.
Oh. That looks good. Look at everyone's leaning forward.
Get this off.
We can if someone's willing to carry it up. See, Jace is a thinker. Well, here's where the hard work starts, boys and girls. It was time to manhandle the big 790 KTM. Just wait.
Right one, you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. You've got it. It was time for Adrian, the pin-up boy for Amarok, Australia, to hand over his bike to the big man, Big Jace, the bodyguard. If there was one person who could get this bike up this hill, it was Big Jace. Oh, he's got it. Whoa. Holy shit. Oh, what a save! What a save! The bodyguard!